This video is for students in Mr. Camacho's Social Studies class in the 2015-2016 school year. This video will specialize on Unit 1, Learning Target 2. Learning Target 2 is identifying and explaining the purpose of the parts of maps, including measuring and using scale, measuring distance using scale. Things that you need to know for this one are map key, which is also known as the legend, compass rose, cardinal directions, which is northeast, south, and west on the compass rose. And then you need to know your intermediate directions, which is northeast, southeast, northwest, and southwest. Those things don't really concern me as far as you guys' knowledge. Those are all basic review stuff from what we've done in the past. However, we tried to put some of this to practical use on maps, and we had some trouble, mostly because we didn't know where to start, and a lot of questions that were phrased like find where is the Washington Monument from the U.S. Capitol building. If you remember the map where we used Washington, D.C., went through that, and where would you start? The best case to do is start where you're from. I mentioned in the class about how I came from home to school, so where was I first? I was at home, and then I was at school. So you start, once you get your starting point, you find where you have to go next. Whatever direction you're going is the direction that you're there. For example, if you were to look at a map and you say, where is Ohio from Kentucky? Then you start at Kentucky, you go north to get to Ohio. So Ohio is north of Kentucky. Another way to look at that, a question might be phrased like, where is West Virginia to Kentucky? So that doesn't say from, but it says to, but where is that state to that state? So you're going to go back and you're going to start at Kentucky, and then you're going to find West Virginia, and when you start at Kentucky, what direction you have to go to get to West Virginia? The answer is northeast. And so that's how you find that. Hopefully we start in the right spots on that. That's my biggest concern regarding the practical use of using the directions and using the compass. Again, you need to know that a legend and a key are the same thing. Though we will more often use the term key than we will legend, but they are the same. On a compass rose, they have those directions that we went over, the cardinal directions and the intermediate directions. You need to know that a map scale, what is it used for? It's used for measuring distance. That's the simplest way of doing it. Actual distance, or distance on a map with actual distance on Earth's surface. That's what scale is used for. It's used for measuring size or distance of things. And then finally, what is a meridian or a parallel? A meridian is a line of longitude. It goes up and down. They travel from the North Pole to the South Pole, and a parallel travels this way across maps in the globe. They are lines of latitude. So if you know that, then you're in great shape. That should prepare you for Learning Target 2. Good luck.